next two complex reversal patterns we are going to study are similar to the piercing line and the dark cloud, but they are slightly weaker signals in a way. The first pattern is called bullish meeting line, which is similar to the piercing line since it's a bullish reversal pattern, but it's a weaker signal. The bullish meeting line also displays a gap down between the first and second candles, but unlike the piercing line, in the bullish meeting line there is no violation of the line that represents the closing value of the first candle. The logical interpretation here is that buyers are strong enough to fill the gap created by sellers, but they are not strong enough to violate or pierce the closing line of the first candle. In other words, the closing line of the second candle meets the closing line of the first candle, hence the name of this pattern. The bullish meeting line appears when price is going down in order to signal a reversal to the upside. We also have the bearish meeting line, which is the mirror image of the bullish meeting line. The bearish meeting line is the slightly weaker version of the dark cloud because, even though sellers are able to fill the gap created by buyers, they are not strong enough to pierce or violate the closing line of the first candle. Nonetheless, the bearish meeting line still represents a bearish reversal pattern. The bearish meeting line appears when price is going up in order to signal a reversal to the downside. Next, we are going to study 4 different patterns that have one thing in common, which is something called the Harami position. I have a ton of free content on my YouTube channel. You can find some basic information and some advanced stuff as well. If you like the material I produce, please consider the like button, subscribing to the channel, activating the notifications button, sharing the video, and leaving your feedback below in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next videos. Take care.